Hello everyone, I am back with another Coach unboxing, and this item right here, look at that guys. The handle is peeking. Do you guys have any idea what I've got? So this item, when it first came out at the Coach website, right away I added it on my wish list. I mean, that's the thing with Coach is that years ago, I have stopped buying purses from the regular prices. And even though that a lot of their items are definitely worth it, paying for the regular price. However, if you waited for a little longer, few months, then eventually they would put this on sale. It is so beautiful. The craftsmanship for this item right here, that's the main reason why I purchased it. I mean, it is one of, I would just say it's iconic, definitely from Coach. From the leather, from the material that they used, the price is pretty reasonable, so I don't think I cannot find any reason not to add this in my Coach collection. So anyway, I got this on sale in a pretty good price, and it's speaking right now. The handle is so gorgeous right here, so you guys can see right there. And let me reveal. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. The combination of the piping, oh my gosh, and the signature canvas right there, I think it's amazing. So anyway, when this first came out, I wanted to go right away at the store and check every detail of it, because when I see this on the website, oh gosh, the trim, the piping, the leather, well, the material that they use looks absolutely amazing. And wow, look at that, guys. Oh my god, isn't she gorgeous? Just by oh my gosh, I can't get over of how beautiful she is, really. So this is a Revel bag, and it's made up of, right here, a combination of the Coach signature canvas and a Gloveton leather. Okay? So, I must admit that I'm not too crazy about the Coach canvas. I am not too crazy about it. However, I mean, even though I have several in my collection, but I'm not really too crazy about it. But with the exception of this, I think the combination is absolutely beautiful. So this has a brass hardware. The hardware isn't too shiny though, but I like it. Right there. Wow. The stitching right here, and then the brass hardware right here, and then the signature canvas right here. I think all of them complements perfectly. Wow. I mean, with the craftsmanship, that was definitely my weakness. As soon as I saw those lovely stitching right here, oh, the detail of it, it's gorgeous. Wow. And also, this Revel bag looks just like the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. It looks like the shape is more likely in a dome shape. The pull tab right here on the zipper is made up of a Gloveton leather. Wow. Wow, look at that. The combination of the hardware, the leather, and the canvas, it's so beautiful. And it also came in with this beautiful handle right here. Absolutely beautiful detailed in it. And we also have the 1941 hang tag. Okay. And let's take a look at inside. Open the bag right here. Okay. So the inside has, wow, this tan or brown lining. This one I could easily compare the interior lining from the Louis Vuitton microfiber cloth. I mean, I'm not sure what type of fabric this is. It is not suede. However, it has a similar texture from the Louis Vuitton microfiber lining. Very soft, and that makes the purse even more. I mean, it looks luxurious. It feels luxurious right there. And wow. What more can I say, really? I mean, I'm running out of words to describe this beauty right here, because I was astonished of how beautifully crafted this is, and also with the price that I paid, right? And then I'm not sure with this particular item, usually with Coach, the colors that's a little bit on the lighter side, most of the time they went on sale. I have learned that I just gonna have to wait for a little bit. I don't need it sooner. I don't really need it right now. I just gonna have to wait a little bit to get a hands on this in such a reasonable price. Okay, so let's go back to the interior. This one is a flat pocket right here with a patch creed, and just basically there's no other compartment inside right here. Wow, the lining is absolutely beautiful. It came in with a strap. The strap is made up of Gloveston leather as well, with a brass hardware. Absolutely beautiful combination. Okay, so this one you could wear this as a crossbody, and where you can hook this right here, it has a D-ring. Okay, on the other side we have the clochette right here, and there is a key since we have this lock right here in a brass hardware. Okay, really nice. And also I have this one went on sale for $297. That's before tax, and this was originally priced as $495. Wow, so with the taxes a little over $300. Not too bad. With this beautiful leather and canvas, the combination is absolutely amazing right here. And this one also has those lovely feet as well. Absolutely amazing right there. Oh, the stitching, guys. Oh, this stitching really stood out right here. Definitely right here. And also this one came in different colors. We have black. They also came in with the plaid, a combination of, I think that was red color, and the color block as well, a color stone, and then this one right here. But right now I am still in the process of purchasing the stone color, and I cannot wait to to see her. Absolutely. So the stone color, it's just made up of Gloveston leather entirely. So this one is a mixture of canvas and a Gloveston leather. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's the thing, guys, with Gloveston leather. It is a smooth leather. It is prone with marks and scratches. And I'm not too worried about that. But because that was just the nature of the Glovton leather, and also the marks and scratches adds character to your bag. So that's why I am so confident of buying a purse that's made up of Glovton leather, because just consider the marks. It's part of the beauty of it as the time goes by. Okay? So anyway, this is my unboxing on my latest addition to my Coach collection. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!